Hello everyone, welcome back to another hairstyling video. Divide your middle section of your hair and make the hair ties, and on the back side have a hair tie and a braid on the top section, and divide the bottom into two parts and have rubber bands all over. Have a ponytail on the section of the hair on the top and divide it into two and braid it. On the right side, make another braid, make it as a 4, and the bottom part make 2 more ponytails and combine all of them together. Split your hair into 2 sections and have a ponytail at the bottom. Then on the top part, make a braid in a very thin manner using 3 sections. Leave out the front section as a loose one and start braiding from the middle section in a very thin line. Grab as much as you can and braid them. Now combine the braids with the rubber band. Have 5 ponytails like this, and on the center one divide it into 2 and start braiding it with a string. Move on to the right side, divide that into 2 as well and start braiding that with another string. Then combine all the pairs and have all of them together into a common tail and make it as a bun. Have a ponytail and using a long ribbon tied around, divide a ponytail into 2 and divide one of them into 2 again and start braiding it with the ribbon as a reference and make it swirl over, forming a bun, and stuff the tips inside the bun, then tie a knot. Divide your hair into 3 sections and on the middle section make 3 ponytails, and one of the ponytails tie a string around and have it braid. Repeat the same on the other 3 ponytails and start braiding even more at the bottom section of the hair. Divide your hair into 2 sections and in the middle section make 2 pigtails and have it move on the opposite direction. Make 2 more like that and have a common ponytail at the back and combine it with a rubber band. Split your hair into 3 sections. On the middle section of the hair, have a ponytail and comb it a bit further and have 2 more ponytails and braid the hair at the back and combine it with a common rubber band and have rubber bands all over. Make 2 bunches, having the left one being the higher, and make the right one sit on top of that and braid the left one and also braid the back one as well. Thank you guys for watching this video.